Hey guys, James R. Davis Sr., man, coming to you live about MyEcon. I'm going to be very brief on this video, but I want to just kind of been testing this system out. Been watching these people for quite some time. Got good friends in this company, been crushing it for years, a little over 10 years now. And, one of the reasons why I decided to partner with a few of my friends in this company is because this right here, personal financial success system. People don't understand personal finances. And so what they've been doing is they've been teaching people how to shift their income, how to mindset shift and how to shift their income. Okay? Literally, people who have jobs, they're seeing an immediate raise on their job within their next pay period from joining MyEcon and the information that they're getting from joining MyEcon. This quote is very powerful. A television sitcom takes 30 minutes to watch, take 22 minutes, take 22 minutes to learn the rules of the wealthy. This is from my good friend Brian Bean, good friend of mine. Watch all 4 of these videos. Go to howtoshiftyourincome.com. Make sure you watch all 4 of these videos. 6 minutes long, 6 minutes long, 10 minutes long. It's $19, folks. I'm going to show you what you're going to get access to for 19 bucks. It's going to blow you away. $34 a month. You can literally start working on your credit, learning what to do, the strategies, different tips, secrets on how to fix your credit for 19 bucks. You can start today. Okay, $34.95 a month to start using the different systems and tools to start increasing your finances, paying less taxes, understanding the rules of the wealthy. Okay, watch this video, success stories down here. Text $34.95 to me if you're watching this and you've got my number. Okay, I'm going to send you the link to get set up, set up everything. This right here, Cash Flow Manager, this is extremely powerful. All right, so let me go ahead and walk you through a few things real quick. This is the Business Management Center. Quick start orientation consists of all the detailed videos to help you get started right. Tools are back here, messages are back here, meetings, events. We're having location. Atlanta is on fire, Charlotte is on fire, Memphis is on fire, and a few other cities are on fire. New mobile apps that make it very convenient for you to really be effective in managing your money. Okay, you get this MyEcon mobile app. Okay, you can communicate with people. You can do presentations, watch presentations, documents, trainings, podcasts, contacts, meetings at a glance store. Join the team. All right. Now, this is the app that I just been playing around with. Man, this is extremely powerful. This Cash Flow Manager mobile app. You need this. Okay. Let me go back because I'm going to wrap this up. Also, what you get, income shifting membership. I'm going to click on this real quick. But all this is back here at your discretion. Go back here and please, when you join, go through it. But this is what you get for $19.95 right up front, $34.95 a month. Smart Credit Repair Kit. Guys, you can, this is literally, this is like free game to me, right? You get to learn different things that you probably don't know about how to fix your credit and maintain good credit and apply for other forms of credit. Okay, monitoring costs a little bit more, but once you become a member, you got this set up right here for you. You get the course lessons, introduction to the 750 credit plan, how to obtain your credit report. Most people know how to do that. How to read your credit report. A lot of people don't know how to do that. How to dispute items on your credit report. How to remove negative payment history. How to reduce credit utilization. How to add credit history. How to properly apply for new credit. How to get credit mixture. I didn't even know what that was. How to check disputes. Income shifting, the summary. Folks, you need this. You can literally start from lesson 1 and work your way through learning and applying how to work on your own credit. ID Defender. This is huge because identity theft is a big problem. Okay, and I've already accessed mines, set mines up. It's one of the few things that I've done already. Again, this is insane because It's very detailed. It's very thorough. So I want to kind of show you something real quick that I found was very interesting. Very interesting. Like for an example, right? Gonna show you this real quick. I'm gonna go through this alert. Go through this monitoring real quick. So good news, right? Had a Social Security event on all these situations. I'm not gonna click on those, but this is one of the ones that really impressed me right here. Sex offender monitoring. You click on that, watch what happens. Because I have children, folks, and I'm pretty sure you have children, and this is one thing that is pretty powerful. It shows you all of the people that are registered sex offenders in your local area. Look at this. Pretty cool, huh? This guy's picture is on here. Click on the plus, gives you his face and gives you his exact address. Another thing is this, ID restoration, ID insurance. They're going to pay you up to $1 million of identity theft protection. That's powerful. Okay, that's also included into your membership. Now, a couple of more things. Legal club. You got access to attorneys all over the country. Cashback mall. You can literally receive cashback on places that you shop right now. This is the baby. This is my baby right here. Cash flow manager. I love this right here. This is my cash flow manager. I'm not gonna click on it because it's got detailed information on there. But folks, I'm telling you, it's pretty cool. You also have a balance sheet that you can create for yourself. I'm not going to click on that as well because it shows some real hard numbers. So it's personal. But, you know, again, being able to track your expenses, tracking your income, seeing where you are, and being able to cash flow extra money that you probably already spending, that you could be cutting back on, that you could be reinvesting the money. Doing a lot of different things with it, right? Key logging defense system, travel discounts as well. So, yep, you get paid to travel. All right, so this is an awesome membership for $34.95 a month, okay, for all this stuff. So, all you simply want to do, folks, once again, to get all of the information or get a kind of a heads up, brief information on this, go to howtoshipyourincome.com. Get back with me, shoot me a text message, or simply, just hit me up, man. Give me an email, just text me, let me know, and I'll get you the link so you can go ahead and get started, okay? Just to show you, my link is going to be icons.myecon.net, okay? That's my link to go ahead and enroll and get set up. All right, so once you get there, we're gonna get you rocking and rolling, okay? This is what you want to do. You want to go through here, scroll down, join now. Make sure you select the 1995 option, marketing director. Okay, let me show you that real quick, and I'm done. All right, make sure that you have the proper sponsor, and then once you get here, put all your information in, and this is the one you want to choose right here, 1995 marketing director. Income shifting membership. Pay your $19.95. That's it. $35.95 a month. Create your website, whatever your username is. Put that right there, and let's rock and roll, folks. I love you guys. James R. Davis Sr. signing out. This is phenomenal, phenomenal, phenomenal. All right. Do not, absolutely do not play around with this thing, folks, because it has some great stuff for you to utilize to help you grow your business. Now, hey, we get paid too to refer other people quite handsomely. So if you want to refer other people and earn additional business income, you definitely want to lock arms with us and let's make it happen, folks. James R. Davis Sr. signing